Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tarji B, aka Designer Mom. So in this video, we're gonna do a little bit of a Sunday reset, a little bit of cooking, cleaning, changing my air purifier filter, changing my bed linen. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of everything that I do on Sundays and also over the weekend. So stick around and watch this video if you're looking for some Sunday reset motivation.
Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but haters got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
So I purchased an air purifier for my apartment maybe over 5 years ago, quite a while, but it is so useful. I have cats as well, so it is very much needed. So here I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna replace the filters as well. If you need the replacement filter, they're in the description box. Link is in the description box if you have the similar product. So here I'm cleaning. I'm gonna spray it now with some bleach, not this. I'm just gonna wipe this down and then put in the new filters and then turn it back on and set it up.
Touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
also plan on doing my bathroom makeover, so stay tuned for that video. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, but I did do like an accent wall in the bathroom behind the toilet. So that was like the first phase of the project, but next is going to be the actual decoration, which I'm excited to post for you guys, so stay tuned for that.
allegiance to this fool.